Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the irony is, whole week I end up maintaining a notebook wherein I jot down all my ideas. और जब वीडियो शूट करना होता है, that point of time I shoot a video on completely a different topic. So basically my whole intention is to make it as genuine, honest and natural as much as I can. Of course, I feel sometimes a bit of camera consciousness, but that is fine. It's a part of my journey in this on this channel as well. So anyways, getting back to the topic, you must have got to know from the title itself, start a business, not a startup. So what I am trying to tell you in this particular video is a very important lesson, I would say, या फिर मेरी जो अभी recent learning है इस पे, which I was not aware of initially, and actually it is helping me a lot to develop myself in this journey. Okay, and at the end of the video I am definitely going to share a very strong message based on my personal experience. So let's get started with the video. So hey guys, all the new subscribers, thank you for joining this channel or subscribing this channel, and all the existing subscriber, welcome back. This video is going to be
more of an honest opinion of my journey.
Basically all my videos are same, but यहाँ पर मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा jot down नहीं किया है. I'm going to talk something from my heart about this whole journey. So apparently I was a teacher in an international curriculum, that is IGCSE curriculum. I'm still a teacher in an IG and IB curriculum. उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे आई ऑलवेज थॉट ऑफ, एंड देयर वाज अ बूम इन द मार्केट कि हाँ भाई स्टार्टअप वाला वर्ड काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेमस अभी भी है वैसे तो, लेकिन तभी बहुत ज़्यादा था. 2020 की ये बात है. सो इनिशियली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट इज नेटट्रेंस वर्ल्ड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, तभी मैंने ये सोचा दैट आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रिंग अप दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज अ स्टार्टअप. ओके, अब आई टेल यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज आर स्टार्टअप्स. सो स्टार्टअप्स ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होते हैं जो बहुत ही शॉर्ट टर्म में एक बड़ा गोल अचीव करते हैं. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट स्टार्टअप्स ऑल्सो, इन दैट केस यू हैव टू वर्क ट्रिपल और क्वाड्रुपल टाइम्स कंपेयर टू अ नॉर्मल बिजनेस ओनर, बिकॉज आपको एक शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट करना होता है, एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू वर्क 4 times minimum compared to a normal business owner, including employees have to work that many number of times. Initially you have a plan, you have a model ready with you. Once you have a model ready with you, you either invest your own funds or you get funding. जो आज के डेट में, if you have not seen my video on funding, please go back and check that video also for startup funding. और ये जो फंडिंग होती है, ये जनरली इधर यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इट इफ यू हैव इनफ कैपिटल, और यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम द इन्वेस्टर्स लाने का जो प्रोसेस है, दैट ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन द सेम. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ यू वुड वांट अ वीडियो ऑन द सेम. टेक एनी स्टार्टअप. सो ऑल द स्टार्टअप्स दे गेट सम फंडिंग. ओके, उसके बाद एकदम जूम फायर की तरह देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ मार्केटिंग हैपनिंग, देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज मेड, देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, एकदम what we say harsh or strong marketing strategies are
made. I'm running short of words right now. As I told you, I'm sometimes very camera conscious.
अब इस केस में क्या होता है, you have to invest a large amount in your business, in your marketing, in your product, in your employees, in your other documentation with your CAs, etc, etc, etc. अब let me talk about the bad phase, बैड सिनेरियो, वर्स्ट केस. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपका पूरा के पूरा बिजनेस लॉस में चले जाए, बिकॉज इन अ स्टार्टअप यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन अ सिंगल नीश और माइक्रो नीश, आई वुड से. एंड आपको कितना रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर डेवलपिंग अ बिजनेस you end up learning phase by phase. Sometimes as a startup entrepreneur you might not even know कि आगे क्या problems आ सकती है, so that is one of the major drawback. And अगर है, in that case what will happen, you will end up losing all the hopes. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है, definitely in a short period of time you will grow tremendously, financially, professionally, from all perspectives. Now that is all about startup. Now coming back to the second part of the business, that is a business what you call it. कोई भी जो business शुरू होता है, it starts from a skill, a service or a product that the owner possess. Let's say we are into coaching industry, so we generally get one child initially. हर एक business में पहले एक customer से शुरुआत होती है. It can be a friend, it can be a family member, or it can be someone from your acquaintance only. Generally, once you provide a good service to that person does a mouth publicity of yours. फिर उसके बाद आपका एक अमाउंट जब डेवलप होता है, some capital amount or some amount to make the business run, you decide that now I have this much place, I might even need to expand it to another level. And then you get a place, you set up things, you get more customers, you might as well do more marketing. So your initial phase start with small group of people. उसमें आप आपकी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हो and you slowly and gradually grow your business. तो पहले समझो 10 लोग हो गए, then 12, then 20, then 100. In startups straight away there is a marketing, मतलब it rushes faster compared to a normal business. Now इस business का केस ऐसे होता है that the process itself is very very slow. And the best part about it, I will tell you, is you do not invest a large amount on day one, because as and when you start looking at the result, I don't say इस केस में losses नहीं होते हैं, definitely होते हैं, but because you are investing in phases and steps, in that case also you will get to learn in each and every phase and then accordingly take a decision that what should be my next step or next strategy to go ahead. Now the drawback of this kind of mentality could be, one, the owner tries to do all the work. This is one of the drawbacks, and there are many other drawbacks. I will prefer making another video to tell you that how to set it up on day one so that in future we will be able to do things in a better way. Do let me know in the comment section if you want a video on the same. So in short, the difference between a startup and a business is startups have to grow in a short period of time because day one lot of money is invested to promote its growth. It's like lot of catalyst, बहुत सारा invest किया जाता है उसमें, उसको फटाफट grow करने के लिए. However, a business takes time, takes lot of patience, but yes, at the end there is a reward for this. Similarly in startup also, but startup अगर fail होता है तो बहुत बड़ा झटका लगता है. However, अगर ये small business जो आपने थोड़े पैसे से start किया था, अगर God forbid fail होता है तो छोटा झटका लगता है. So you have to bear the cost, but the intensity varies. And so let me know what is your opinion in the comment section about whether we should try making a strategy for a startup या फिर business. I would love to read your comments. And stay tuned on my channel for more such videos. Any specific topics अगर आपको लगता है that I should make a video on, do let me know in the comment section. It would really help in my preparation because as I told you, I write a lot, I take a lot of notes, and at the end I end up making video on something completely different. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.